Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So today we will be starting chapter 26, that is conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Let us read. Read this passage carefully and underline the joining words in it. Okay, so we have to underline those joining words. Okay, so let us do. Joy and Maya are going to the beach to collect shells. So over here, and Maya has many lovely beach hats but cannot decide which one to take with her. Should she take the yellow one or the pink one? Joy says that she should hurry up because their friends are waiting for them. So since you see I have underlined these words and, but, or, because. So what are these words? These are the joining words, and these joining words are called conjunctions. Okay, the word that you have underlined in the above passage join two words or two sentences. You see, it is joining two words over here, Joy and Maya. So and is there to add both the words. Okay, then to join a sentence also. So the words and, but, or, and because are joining words. These are the joining words. They join words or sentences and are called conjunctions. So what are conjunction? Conjunctions are words that join words, group of words, or a sentence. Okay. Next, let us learn about the function of these conjunctions. What are the functions? The function of and. It is used to join sentences and words. So you see, for example, Anu and Priya went shopping together. Okay, so two words are being joined by the conjunction and. I went up to the shelf and picked up a book. So you see, two sentences are there. I went up to the shelf and picked up a book. So these two sentences are joined by the word and, or the conjunction and. Next, the use of but. It is used to join sentences that have opposite ideas. So since they have opposite ideas, so we use but. See, mothers like tea but father likes coffee. So opposite, see, mother likes tea and father likes coffee. So since they have two different sentences, means opposite ideas in these sentence, we have two opposite ideas, that one person likes tea and the other likes coffee. So we add but. Neha looked everywhere but could not find her kitten. Again, she has looked everywhere but she could not find her kitten. So again the conjunction but is used to add these opposite ideas. Now the conjunction or. It is used to join words or sentences that offer a choice. So in this you get offers. Okay, these are used to join sentences that have a offer a choice. So for example, over here, would you like to have an ice cream or a cold coffee? So there are options that you can choose, either an ice cream or a cold coffee. So you see, that is the reason or is used to join words or sentences that offer a choice. Similarly, you will find the soft toys on counter 3 or counter 5. So again you have been given choice that either in 3 or in counter 5 you can find the toy. Okay. Next we have the use of because. So it is used to express a reason or say why something happens. So it is used to express a reason, that what is the reason that has caused this or why that something has happened. Okay. So example, Samita did not go to school because she is ill. So why did Samita did not go to school? Because she is ill. I am not hungry because I had a heavy breakfast this morning. So why am I not hungry? The reason is that I had a heavy breakfast this morning. So you see, it is used to express a reason, okay, or something happens, okay, or why something happens. So this was for the explanation of the chapter. Now we will be doing the exercise. So the first part of the exercise is underline all the conjunctions in these sentences. So you have to underline, and one has been done for you. So you see, I like to read books and watch films. So and is already underlined for you. So as we know, what are the conjunctions over here? Or, because, and but. So next we have Manisha takes a train or a bus to office. So or, I love this little kitten because it is so cute. So again, because. Which is your favorite sport? Badminton or football? So or. You should wear your raincoat because it is raining outside. So which word? Because. I can speak French and German but not Spanish. So here and but is also conjunction. Okay. Next, here circle the most suitable conjunctions in these sentences. Okay, you have to circle the conjunctions. The eggs are fresh and the berries are sweet. Okay. Pick up your books and or but because leave Arun's notebook on the table. So pick up your books but leave Arun's notebook on the table. I can't remember if the test is in August or in May. I am sad because I have lost my new bicycle. I admire Geeta's courage and her kind heart. Does this coat belong to you or your friend? Okay, so you see I have already done it for you. So this was the last part of the exercise. Okay, I would request you to complete it in your books. Okay, go through the explanation of the chapter. Okay, and that was all for today's class. Thank you.